Hi YouTube, this is Scott at LetsTalkTech. This is my first official video here on YouTube, and really just a basic unboxing of my brand new iMac. The iMac which I am actually doing this video on at the moment. I'm editing it using Final Cut Pro, and I'm using a newer 700 condenser microphone. Now, instead of talking you through this unboxing, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to tell you a little bit about this channel, tell you a little bit about myself, and really just why I decided to do this. Firstly, I am an absolute passionate tech lover. I've been following several other tech YouTubers for quite a while now, and I never really get what I'm looking for from these tech YouTubers for multiple reasons. I think as a lot of these channels have got bigger, they've obviously attracted more input in terms of sponsors, and there's been a lot more focus in these channels on kind of making money rather than providing content which is true and honest. I can't think of many tech YouTubers at the moment who I guess give an honest opinion on products, and I started to get really frustrated as I flicked through these channels, seeing the same content over and over again. So what I'm going to do is, rather than start this channel with your conventional unboxings and product reviews, I'm going to start by reviewing these tech YouTubers. I'm going to talk about how these guys make their money. I'm going to talk about the ways in which YouTube pay these guys, and I'm going to talk about external sponsorship, which will lead me into a little section regarding product bias. I don't know what you guys think, but one of the issues that I find as I flick through the many tech YouTube channels is there seems to be a real obvious bias towards certain technology manufacturers, whether it be Apple, whether it be Samsung. The big one at the moment is OnePlus. OnePlus seem to be heavily involved with nearly all of the heavily subscribed YouTube channels. Now, this isn't because OnePlus are the best manufacturer, and it's not because the OnePlus 6 is the best smartphone. It's because OnePlus are paying these guys handsomely for, I wouldn't say an honest review, but I would say for a product placement. So I'll go into a little bit more detail about that. Ultimately, the most important thing with this channel is I really want to build a tech community, somewhere where I guess we can share opinions, we can debate. I'm not always going to be right. I want to hear what other people think about what I'm saying. I want to hear what other people are saying about kind of all the new technology that's out there as well. And I want you guys to tell me the kind of content that you would like. And as this video comes to an end, I just want to show everyone that not everyone loves tech. My son much prefers the box my new iMac came in. So on that note, I want you guys to, if you like this, please like and subscribe. Please watch out for the videos coming next week. I will be starting with a review of iJustine and a review of SuperSaf TV. So yeah, don't dare miss them. They will be explosive. And very quickly back onto this video. I've been a Windows user all my life, and I have loved how quick this is booted up. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I really hope to see you guys again soon. Please comment below, and I hope to see you soon.